Here we have a Hoover Junior, model 1348 in the green. Meant to be an apartment model. And it works great and smoothly. All the parts work, the dial. I don't have attachments for it. And it does have some wear on the rubber. The rubber's intact. You can see it's got just corner wear from normal use. A lot of little nicks and paint marks from hitting the wall. It's in pretty good condition. These are really rare and hard to find now, especially in the US. They're really popular in Britain, I think, is what my research showed. It's got the Hoover bag, and the cord is in excellent condition. And let me flip it up here. You can see underneath, there's the label, which you can get a good look at in the photos in the listing. The beater bar is really clean. The belt in there works. It's a little dusty and has some wear on the bag, which I'll show you, which is really the only biggest things. Take the cover off here. This section is for attachments, and you can see I ran the beater bar the wrong way and the belt came off. But you can see the belt is in really good condition even, and it's nice and clean in there. Now let's take a good look at that bag. So we've got some wear here. A little bit where the seam's coming loose. There's a little bit of wear there. A little bit of wear there. And then over here, there's a plastic piece sticking out that is worn into the bag. And you can see the hole's not really big, about 2 fingernails worth. And then let me unbutton it for you and show you what it looks like inside. There's a bag for it. There's the bag. See, a little bit dirty there. There's the bag, which is still fairly empty. So if you receive this, you could actually start using it right away, but since these are kind of rare and people collect them, I thought this would be a great restoration project. It's really a nice little vacuum with everything working well. Thanks for looking. Okay, here we are on the next video as promised to fire it up so you can see that it does work. I have it plugged in, and then you press this button with your foot. Sorry, that's probably a little loud for a video, but you can see that it works. Thanks!